Welcome back, everybody. Today, Sunday the 16th of July. I just can't believe it. It's already the middle of July. This summer is going quick. And we missed the whole month. We missed all of June. Set the pool up, got the pool cleaned out, and then it got cold for a month and 2 weeks. Craziness. So I am out on, I got a face itch. Face itch, people, face itch. Looks like an old school turned into a mental health place. I don't think I've ever been on that road. I've been on this road, but I think I've only been on it once, and I forget what I was talking about when I started talking, and you know, it's just going to be ramblings today. Just trying to find roads that I haven't ridden but just a couple times, and yesterday I took the Black Spider out and found a really nice road. I don't know if I've ever been on it. I went to hit record, and the battery or something said no. In fact, you know, I'm new to GoPro, and I've heard of all of these little weird things that GoPros can do. So, you know, I hit record and nothing happened, and you know, I got home and plugged it in to charge the battery, and nothing happened. So I had to actually remove the battery, put it back in for it to accept the charge. And I don't know what road I'm on. I don't know where this road goes, but I'm looking down all of these other roads because I want to take the Black Spider down roads that I normally would not go down. So maybe partially graveled, you know, smaller roads. So I am eyeballing all of these roads down through here. And then I'm at a lot of miles. On this thing. Almost 23,000, and the oil change was due. I didn't think anything of it, you know. I go down to ask. It's our local dealership in town, and I was like, yep. An annual oil change kit for my 2020 Can-Am Spider F3T, man dang shoot. I think I've been on this before. And Carbondale. This is going to drop me off on 56. I'm okay with that. I'm very okay with that. And you know, he looked it up in the book. He didn't even go to the computer, so I'm assuming he just got the part number and then he put it in the computer. And guess what? None to be. None. And he's like, I can order it for you. I'm like, okay, how long is it going to be until it gets in? He's like, I don't know. It's like, okay. So, you know, I said, no thanks. Looked at a couple Spiders, Rikers, new motorcycle. I don't even know what it was. Some adventure bike beautifulness. Got home, jumped on Le Monster's website. I don't know if it wasn't posted on there or if I just literally missed it, but I ordered an oil change kit, and almost a week later I didn't get an email of confirmation, and I'm like, what in the world is going on? And I called them. Closed for 2 weeks. They'll refill any orders and ship once they get back. And I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. So I am rolling around with a bike that needs to have an oil change. It's oil change. Look how gorgeous this is. Wow. I dig this. Nice, relaxing little road. Heck yeah. I'm shocked they haven't come through with all the windstorms we've had in the last year and a half. You know, when it comes to these storms that roll through here anymore, I just cringe with all the damage that's been done to the house. But yeah, I'm shocked that they haven't come through and cleared all these trees off the road. It does make for a gorgeous, gorgeous ride. Yeah, see, stuff down. That's broke. Private property. That looks like it's a cool piece of property. Little creek. Hey there, little creek. And I would say it's a creek, not a drainage ditch. Oh yeah, I've been on this road. So I think I've gone that way, and it turns to a gravel road pretty quick, and it just kind of dead ends. It's been a minute since I've been on this road, though. Oh, big bumps. Yeah. What's up there, Toyota? And I don't know where I'm heading today, to be honest with you. I don't know. I filled up, so I got a full tank of gas, and I'm just gonna go for a ride, and then yeah, I'm just gonna ride. I was out on the Black Spider yesterday, and we're at 81,000 miles on that thing, and it runs so good, and it's just so quick, so responsive. I absolutely love that Spider. Oh, that's cool. Keep the bugs out. They put all their patio furniture underneath that zipped tent. I'm assuming with that swampiness back there, the bugs are bad. I'm trying to see all the things to see. Yes, trying to see all the things to see. Some trees folded down. Oomba. Oh, look at the old Impala. I wonder if that's an SS or a clone, or just an Impala. I would drive it. Hey, birdie. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll come down here and I'm going to turn right. Ooh, what road is this? Yeah, 56. I'm going to turn left. This brought me up higher than where I wanted to be, and that's okay, that's okay, that's okay. There they go, look there's that creek, man, dang, tell you what. Check out this pond. Check that out. Aren't those beautiful? Amazing. I was just down here. Was I just down here yesterday? Did I come this far down, or was it just last weekend? I'm telling you, I'm starting to ride the same roads again. And this old Spider's running good. You know, I thought I'd be changing brake pads at, you know, every 10,000 miles on it. But, you know, after the initial brake change, it's doing a lot better. But, you know, then again, I made that thingy not work when I'm one up. You know, that thingy back there that measures if you gotta, yeah, it's not working right now. Which makes this thing handle like it should. So the next thing for this thing, after I do the oil change, I guess I should check the air filter. I need to check to see what what the scheduled maintenance is on the air filter. So I got to check the air filter, oil change, and then I just got to get this thing down to Jackson, Ohio, which is a trip from Lancaster. It's like an hour and 30 minutes. And then I'm going to be sitting there at the shop for 2 or 3 hours while they perform a laser alignment. This thing, oh, I might as well hit this road. I was thinking about coming down this road today, but then I was on the wrong side. We'll hit this road. So when I bought this thing, I've had some little things that weren't done quite right. You know, the antenna, when they installed the antenna, they forgot to put the little wire underneath it, so the antenna wasn't doing anything. The front plastic thing wasn't in. It didn't have push pins, you know, just a couple little things. You know, so I've had some little things go wrong with this, like the battery. I don't think it was maintained properly. And then the alignment. I've just never had a Spider with all the Spiders I've ever owned. Even the old 2012, which the alignments were I've never gone through a set of tires at 20,000 miles. Ever. And, you know, I called them up and they were like, nope, it was laser aligned. And I'm like, there's no way. If it was not done properly to how this thing handles. But then again, maybe I tagged something that I just don't know. But I mean, all you can do is set tow on one of these things. There's nothing else to adjust. So I need to get that done, because it gets crazy darty at times. And it seems like if I have someone on the back, or even when I had my dry bag on the shelf that's attached to the backrest, man alive, this thing was just super squirrely. And then in the rain, it just does the weirdest thing where it feels like it hydroplanes one tire, like say the left front, and then it will not hydroplane that tire, and it will hydroplane the other one, and then the bars just start shaking back and forth. It's a unique experience. Now, when I'm saying that, I'm not talking about just a little bit of rain. It was a lot of rain to where other cars weren't going very quick as well, and in the other lane they were spinning out, hydroplaning and spinning out. So it was a ton of rain. Monsoony rain. And I think what's going on with those tires just towed out, it was kind of gathering the water underneath the tread, and the tread wasn't able to move out the water appropriately. And it was just kind of damming up, is what I gather. And then it would hydroplane, and that tire would turn kind of straight, and it would clear out, drop the tire, you know, and it just kept doing that repeatedly. But, you know, once you got down to 45, 50 miles per hour, it stopped doing that. It was only above 50 miles per hour. And when it was the monsoon, I went from, you know, 75 miles per hour down to 35 pretty quick. Little town of Mineral, I think it's what it said. Oh, someone put a whole bunch of grass there. This is on my daughter's birthday. 17th birthday? 18th birthday? I don't know which one it was. 17th birthday. Let's say it's her 17th birthday. I came down through here on the, I want to say the white Spider, but it was the 2014 STS. And there's some really low spots, and the first low spot, I don't know where it is, had a little bit of water, you know, an inch or two, no big deal. I got through it no problem whatsoever. And then down here there's a creek. It's not this creek, it's a bigger creek. It was very deep water, and I thought I was fine, but the intake on those was really low on the left hand side, and it filled the airbox up with water. So as soon as I got across the water, of course, it just hydro locked the motor. So I sat down here for a couple hours for a tow truck to come get me, and yep, had to pull the plugs out of it and blow the water out of the cylinders just by cranking it over. Once you remove the spark plug, there's no pressure in the combustion chamber. It blows all the water out, and put everything together and never had an issue ever again with it. The day the Spider turned into a Sea-Doo. So I think on that I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm probably too far down to where I'm not gonna be able to listen to any music, but we'll see. I'll try. If not, I have some downloaded music on the phone. Look how pretty that is, coming around through there in something tall and not realize take the side of your tall vehicle out. Up the hill we go. Downshift me a gear. I think it was also this road I was riding with a buddy, and he was behind me on an ST13 Honda something, beautiful bike. We crested one of those hills and the car had backed out and was just chilling in the middle of the road. And I thought for sure he was going to crest that hill and end up on top of me, but everything worked out just fine. Where are we at? We are entering Vinton County and leaving Athens. Nice pretty little house. Let me get to where I can see where the road goes, and I will let everybody go. There's a nice little straight section. Boom, boom, drop a couple gears, and here we go. So, hope you liked the ramblings today, everybody. Stay safe. Give me a big old thumbs up if you could. I'll see you down the road. Set the cruise, low speed, and turn off the camera.